The importance of home inspections. Protect your biggest investment. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But here's the question. Would you buy a used car without looking under the hood? Probably not. So why would anyone spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a house without having it professionally inspected? Every year, thousands of home buyers discover expensive surprises after closing: hidden roof leaks, foundation cracks, faulty electrical systems, plumbing disasters, mold behind walls, termite damage. Many of these problems could have been discovered before signing the contract. Today's video could save you thousands, possibly tens of thousands of dollars. We're going to cover why home inspections matter, what inspectors actually look for, common problems they find, why choosing an independent inspector is critical, how to use an inspection to negotiate a better deal, what inspectors don't inspect, mistakes buyers make, why even new homes need inspections. Let's get started. Why home inspections are so important. A home may look beautiful on the surface: fresh paint, new flooring, modern kitchen, beautiful landscaping. But cosmetic upgrades can hide serious problems. Here's an example. A family falls in love with a renovated home. Everything looks brand new. But during the inspection, the roof has less than 2 years of life left. The electrical panel is outdated. The furnace is cracked. There is moisture in the crawl space. Estimated repairs, nearly $30,000. Without the inspection, those repairs become the buyer's responsibility after closing. That's why inspections aren't an expense. They're an investment. Sometimes spending $500 saves you $20,000. The most common problems found during inspections: professional inspectors see the same issues repeatedly: roof problems, missing shingles, leaks, poor flashing, damaged gutters, soft decking. A roof replacement can cost thousands. Foundation issues, cracks, settling uneven floors, water intrusion. Foundation repairs can become extremely expensive. Electrical hazards, double-tapped breakers, improper wiring, overloaded panels, missing GFCI outlets. Fire hazards, electrical issues should never be ignored. Plumbing problems, leaks, old galvanized pipes, water pressure issues, water heater concerns, slow drains. Small leaks today become major water damage tomorrow. HVAC systems, old furnaces, dirty evaporator coils, poor airflow, unsafe heat exchangers. Replacing HVAC systems is costly. Moisture, mold, rot, wet basements, condensation. Water is one of the biggest enemies of every home. Why new homes need inspections. Too many buyers believe it's brand new. It comes with a warranty. It doesn't need an inspection. That's simply not true. New construction homes often have missing insulation, improper flashing, loose plumbing, electrical mistakes, roof defects, incomplete framing. Construction happens quickly. Builders use subcontractors. Mistakes happen. Even inspectors find dozens of issues in brand new homes. A warranty repairs problems after they're discovered. An inspection helps discover them before you move in. Why you should choose an independent inspector. Here's one of the biggest mistakes buyers make. They simply use the inspector someone else recommends without doing research. Always remember, the inspector works for you, not the seller, not the builder, not the contractor, not the listing agent. Choose someone who is licensed, certified, experienced, insured, highly reviewed. Ask questions like, how many inspections have you completed? Do you inspect full-time? Can I attend the inspection? How long is your report? Do you include photographs? Do you inspect roofs with drones? Do you use thermal imaging? A quality inspector welcomes your questions. Attend the inspection yourself. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is skipping the inspection. Never do that. Walk through the house with the inspector. Ask questions. Learn where the water shutoff is, the electrical panel is, the furnace filter goes, the attic access is, the crawl space entrance is, the gas shutoff is. You'll learn more about your future home in 3 hours than you could from weeks of online research. Using the inspection to negotiate. This is where inspections can pay for themselves. Suppose the inspection reveals roof damage, HVAC problems, foundation concerns, plumbing leaks, electrical hazards. Now you have options. You may ask the seller to complete repairs, reduce the purchase price, provide closing cost credits, replace defective systems, purchase a home warranty. Sometimes buyers save thousands simply because the inspection documented legitimate concerns. Knowledge gives you negotiating power. What home inspectors don't inspect. A home inspection has limits. Inspectors usually don't inspect inside walls, underground sewer lines, swimming pools, septic systems, wells, environmental hazards, asbestos, lead paint pests beyond visible signs. If concerns exist, you may need specialized inspections. Examples include roof inspection, structural engineer termite inspection, sewer scope, radon testing, mold testing. These specialized inspections may uncover issues a standard inspection cannot. The cost of skipping a home inspection. Let's look at another story. A young couple wanted to save money. They waived the inspection to make their offer more attractive. 6 months later, the basement flooded. The foundation shifted. The HVAC failed. Hidden termite damage was discovered. Repair costs exceeded $45,000. The inspection would have cost less than $700. Sometimes the most expensive decision is trying to save money. Final advice before buying any home. Whether you're buying your first home, a retirement home, an investment property, a rental, or a vacation property, always get a professional home inspection. Read every page of the report. Ask questions. Budget for future maintenance. Remember, a home inspection doesn't guarantee perfection. It provides information, and informed buyers make smarter decisions. Protect your investment, protect your family, protect your future. Today's lesson is simple. A home inspection isn't just another step in the buying process. It's one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. For a relatively small cost, you gain valuable insight into the condition of one of the biggest investments you'll ever own. You'll know what needs immediate attention, what can wait, and where future expenses may arise. That knowledge gives you confidence, not only during negotiations, but for years after you move in. The goal isn't to find a perfect home. The goal is to understand the home you're buying so there are fewer surprises after closing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's buying a home. You could save them thousands of dollars. Subscribe to Handyman Al for practical home maintenance tips, repair guides, DIY projects, and homeowner advice designed to help you protect your home and save money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay informed, and take care of your home because your home takes care of you. The information shared in this video is for general educational and informational purposes only. Every home is different and the condition of your property may vary. While I'll share practical tips based on industry best practices, this video is not a substitute for a professional home inspection or the advice of a licensed contractor, engineer, electrician, plumber, or other qualified professional. If you're buying a home, always hire a qualified, independent home inspector to perform a complete inspection before closing. Any repairs, renovations, or maintenance should be completed safely in accordance with your local building codes and regulations. Always use proper safety equipment and disconnect power, water, or gas when appropriate before attempting any home repairs. If you're unsure about a project or if it involves structural, electrical, gas, or other potentially hazardous work, contact a licensed professional. By watching this video, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own decisions and any work you choose to perform.